Muthenya wa Kiumia, atongoria ngwatanĩro cia KMPDU na LSK mekinyĩte ceceni ya borithi ya Mũthaiga kũrĩa mũrigitani ũmwe niwe Job Obwaka kũratuĩka arahingĩirwo. Dr. Obwaka nĩ mũruti wa wĩra thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi na arĩkirio ngono mũthenya wa Jumamothi. KMPDU na LSK makiuga matirĩ marerwo gĩtũmi kĩa gũikio ngono gwake.
Come here and we found Dr. Obwaka in the police custody. And we tried to investigate to ask the OCS and the team why he's there, and they were just trying to say who complained about him, and they said they could not know who complained. It was the DCI.
Mwandiki munene wa KMPDU Atela akiuga Obwaka agakurekererio mbere ya thaa 3 cia utuku madagĩtarĩ gothe bũrũri-inĩ makũrũrũngana.
Now it seems the court order was given in vain, so we are asking that, and we are demanding that the doctor be released immediately. But if it's not released by midnight, we're going to take action as a union, because an action against one doctor is an action against all doctors.
Nake president wa LSK Charles Kanjama augĩte wĩkio ngono kwa mũrigitani ũyũ nĩ mũgaro wa watho ona thutha wake kũrĩha bondi ndarĩ ararekererio.
Also the lawyers are going to very soon take action if this matter is not addressed, because we cannot have this kind of impunity. For today, we are asking the authorities to ensure that the persons who've been arrested, who've already spent a night in police custody, are released.
Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Kamande.